YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. Today's video, man, I'm finna show y'all how to get rid of frizz in your hair. Frizz is, all this little stuff that pops up, them little hairs. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get rid of it. All right, man, so if you wanna get rid of frizz in your 360 waves, man, you wanna go ahead and get you a soft brush and a plastic bag. Now, I have already brushed my hair. I already combed hard and medium, so I'm gonna show y'all how to lay it down. You wanna get your soft brush, man, and you wanna just go straight down. Straight down. So let me turn this way so y'all boys can see it. I'm gonna go straight down. And when trying to get frizz out your hair, it's really, I think frizz is just, if your hair is not really laid, basically, right? So if your hair is not really laid, you're gonna have frizz. Yeah, so you're gonna have frizz. If you don't plastic bag every night, you're probably gonna have frizz in the morning. How long should you plastic bag? I would say you should plastic bag for 10, 20 minutes. Or you can do maybe 10, 25 minutes. All depends on how your hair is coping and what level you are at the moment. So if you're a beginner, I say you want a plastic bag for a long time, basically 30, 40. And if you're a intermediate, you can do a 10, maybe 15, max 20. All right, man, next, I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. I know y'all thought I was just gonna put that plastic bag on my hair without adding oil. Hey, man, you know we can't do that. So you wanna make sure you put oil in your hair. Oil helps lay your hair down. Really helps lay your hair down. You can use moisturizers too, but if you're woofing, like I'm woofing right now, so I don't know if you wanna use moisturizer while you're woofing. You could, but you don't want to use too much. So you want to make sure you add 2 drops of oil in your hair. You need your hair to stay, oily, silky, and wavy. Okay, so let's make sure we do that. Also, you can apply it to the crown like this. That's how I usually do it, but once you hit it with the plastic bag, the oil is gonna spread around your hair anyway, so. And then the remaining oil, if you got a beard or you wanna add it to your eyebrows, you can. All right, man, so the plastic bag, you can see, you wanna get you a plastic bag, man, you can go to Walmart, cop you a small little plastic bag. It really don't matter as long as you get one like this. This is a Ziploc bag. What you want to do with the plastic bag, all you want to do is exactly how you're brushing. All you do is go down with it. Just gradually hitting those sides. Gradually hitting the sides. You want to really make sure the frizz is out of your hair. Frizz out, get it out. Hey, frizz is not bad, but when you get that frizz out of your hair, it do make them waves look more silky, man. And I know some people can agree with me on that. All right, man, so you definitely do the same thing on this side as well. Go ahead, get them boys. And if you're laying your hair down, you can feel it kind of poking at your scalp. So when you feel that pokiness at your scalp, that means you're fully laying your hair down. Yeah, man, so laying this frizz down. So next, you also want to make sure you hit that crown. Don't forget the crown. The crown is so important. That's where your waves grow, or that's where the waves form first. You want me to be more technical. And you could brush your eyebrows too. No, I'm just joking. Alrighty, man, so you see I put my do-rag on. Hey, man, if you like this video, smash that like button. Join the team, man. We helping everyone. I'm actually helping everyone, beginner and intermediate. Let's get it, man. So if you like that video, do what you gotta do. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And hey, man, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.